I love you, Coffee.
X-Touch Records.
I'm populating, God knows I'm populating. I'm populating, snitch please, I'm populating. I'm populating, God knows I'm populating. I'm populating, snitch please, I'm populating. I'm too contagious, so snitch please, don't honorate me. They can't contain us, so they hope to carbonate me. I'm populating, God knows I'm populating. I'm populating, snitch please, I'm populating.
Yo, I'm KTL. Yo, I'm front page. I'm in the building. Yo, I hope you got this. It's gonna be a history right here. Warmer's finest. Yo, Katala the boss, the one and the only who don't give a fuck about your biggie wars. Of course, with rhymes I flow. I'm a son of a devil born in barbarians, changing the weather into dark raw. I'm raw, hardcore for sure. Every day I reverse the birth of a newborn, every new dawn. My word is born, spitting evil spells over your hair scripts. My hair scripts upside down in all the Jesus Christ crucifix. I'm specific on my mission like Agent 47 sniper. I'm a viper, wiper, your whole fucking crew wiper. Man, fuck Tarzan and Spider-Man. I drag all the umbilical cords of dragons and King Kongs. I swing through electric wires. I make hits with the 100 choirs. Sabanta banga na malwimi, Katala ngomlimi, wamakalo nemvano sipelo koyami nsimi. MCs are feeling my music like my music were written in braille. Hail to the king, KTL. Come kiss the ring and fade away. Man, fuck Picasso, Katala is an artist. If you don't believe in that shit, take all my verses and put it in your frame so you can get the picture. I'm a fucking artist. I'm sold out in your mind, visionary galleries. I pump golden verses on my heart arteries. I bring memories. Rest in peace to Scum the firm. I'm a last of and die and pray to yes and sis. Man, I'm Shepherd 6. I come on you, run up by 6, invading your 6 with my 66 senses, ripping your senses till your senses are senseless, leaving you hopeless, useless and lifeless. Man, I'm Shepherd 6. I'm God's son.
Yes, URF. Let's get it on, machimbos. Naranja. Yes. Ayo, I scramble, stumble to write this verse. Hard to fly when it's raining, you like a bird in a nest to Jalango life. Coming to a gunfight without wearing a verse, it's a battle. Freestyle first, so writing a verse. Ngaphansi kwesiphingo ningukala L Socks is next high. Straight from Grahamstown, I'm still #1. My heart is underground, I'm hard to be found like a star, I'm still gonna shine. Still writing a beautiful song, my speakers are loud. Never mention my name over your track or else the battle is bound. I don't care whether you're wearing a crown and make you a talk of a town. We don't belong in the same ground. You belong in the circus cause you're the clown. That simply means you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. Like prof, you better take yours before I take my battle zone. Ready to explode cause I'm a nuclear bomb inspector. I'm a Grahamstown product kwaye ndiyazidla bayangithinta abafuna undiva igama lakho ndibiza abacimba ndidukene lizwe. Never knowing ukuthi I'm still keeping my flow. Everywhere ready to blow. The single fuck out of your pathway you couple emangcwabeni. One time shit. Check this. Yo, ndinjengethuli ligquba njengomsibe exuba phakathi kweziphunga ndikwenza umincane isifuba ndingelokuqala ithuba elibi lona iphupha. Most of the MCs xa zinibona ziyethuka. I'm a special lyric writer nawe ngakubhalela, that's for sure. Njengoyoshua nizonilandela, but fuck it, I hate branding azoniphaphela. Nani niyazibonela babuma umnyama buyanifanela. Hip hop inje sinxisayo sihamba kanje. Never step on the stage if ever a practicer. That's the warning bra. KTL angakudiliza nalokhu yakho ungayibiza ngiphosa ngamanzi bila anilungi kusiqethi sasewoma nonke nezika. Ndiyahlupheka whenever ndisiva umbombaye ethetha amasimba ehlekise nyikanye nyelisa ndenza ingathi ndimvanga sunezi mic ndimbamba usimanga ndiyambulala. One time for real hip hop. Check this. Let's do this one more time. Check. Yo. njengendelezi I strike like iphubezi ndivuka ngonyezi ngilibhala rhymes ezenza abanye bakwanye inyembezi ndisisiqalekiso sabaleli phansi lo mculo uphila phakuma ndizenzi. These are the lines that usually strikes on my head whenever I'm slipping. My heart blood is licking off the words they bring speaking. Isekwa ndim lo victim fakade ngempela dala ngibatshela ukuthi angekhe bangiphetha kodwa zange bangimamela. 1997 na grab pen nephepha ngaqala ngazibhalela original beats ngazikhumbela. Now it's years back and I'm still running better. Msese nguyu inspector you tweye kukhapele emangcwabeni from ehlalani to lesizini spliff make a pray ungababuza abusana besifreestyle kulo stratweni. That's why I would like to shout out MMB Production, you know, Luna.Soul, Blair, Naonga Majita, you know, KTL, yo, shout out to Rise, you know, Tabawa, Mikrem Star. Love you, magnificent. Shop.
Andrepa Kalu Makazu, sister wako no dubs. Go pepper zunga bajasi, sound yetu ishwaps. We killing rappers in the game and we don't care about cups. Yafika sense umtula spito spetty plants in the cups. Ikamva longa kakazi, wokumfetu se musty. And this letter if future cause it's nisili pasty. Now I'm back killing rappers, it's dust to dusty. Cause inonge nenzindwe one, that's why nga last. You ain't got buzz, but too busy claiming hot, you ain't got scars. How you been through a lot, baby nga SARS. Before we came and claimed the spot, now by our years. Who could be Rano City Port? Look, that's a speaker, now my cheetahs kill a how we show. That's a speaker, that's so you can take the dough and go. Kakotinas ya penikas, put the flow. Hakotininos ya chicas, funu win a more.
Gang. Arash, URF. Woo. Feeling this beat, man. Yeah. Zin. They already know who it is. I go for the kill. I've grown from a kid that was known to be chill. I'm so for real and dope with the skill. Fuck it dope for a show or it's no to your deal. Every show that we kill, boyishiya koliwe. Swika sense messing galeteti bati ngoliwe. Yongi treki koliwe. When we kutoshiwe, I've trained to be sharp. But the chepi loliwe. Kushu we move. Sense shushukle room. Skutu futu kakulu. Kastali tuzukia kuma. Basbones nyuka pezulu. Skandi nyuku me pull. In possession of the truth. Auyazibuza pakum. Autamu never assume. I'm the one with the info. La rashes into. Homegrown like it's into. Real black kings bro. And we still win though. You bitch niggas hating fuck yourself. No deal though. Goko njengo ringo. Acting shuku ya nyanazela. Just a week ago. Ku Facebook ubupatazela. Kako ngumka wako ngukwipisti ya kakazela. Keba sastandazela. Ezndwana zazbajazela. Not so long ago I took your girl to some other world. Heavy threesome with some girls from other world. Just kidding, my man. Yeah. That's it, Daru.
Larashes in on feet, Luna.Soul. Respect your elders, respect your ancestors. Bitch! Yeah, look, of course, I'm full of myself. No apologies, that's how you start a fire, get chep. Raw philosophy, chisanjenge njawa outdam. Home economy, reporting reality ndanga. And no mythology, did it for the group, got praised, Jembo mythology. Navuka kusasexeni deep broke, that's called loyalty. Boy, you better bow on my toes, I'm so royalty. I've grown, so strong than before. I'm 4 Lions King, my soul's old, probably so. I broke out of it, my job is dropping jaws on the floor. I'm so loving it, hoes knocking over my door to blow. Obviously the boy is now part of the show. I'm talking totally, it's a toe. Writing rhymes on the go, flow properly at home. Some fix a let go to own property. Of course, Makelwano Tiyo. So lalanin when dot thinking out of the box, I bombarded them. One night stand, it's only one time sham. To survive right here, you must fight like champ. Yeah, your life might end in the tough life camp. Then it's bye bye bang with the my gang. More sorrows coming for Nigerian oil. John Togo fighting for Nigerian soil. They're all forced those running from an alien war. I'm all cost though, dying in malaria zone. You know more though, if you can't disable a bomb. We all broke though, yeah we tried saving at home. No job though, it's kinda hard to service alone. We savage and known, cause we gotta get it and go. I'm here to cut the chain man, little punguke. Here to cut the pain and site sikubuke. Site sikhululwe, site sikhululwe. Masite siphuthume, masilwe sishukume. Entshona langa silwe bakya bonakala sife. Bonakala clear akuzotholakala peace ye. Siqobakala sidinwe, siphothakala zinqile. Sijonga nangenyindle, sihlohlana ngefear. We shoot like hell with the few armed men, like the blue like gang when they do hijacks. Yeah we good like that, and you fools might learn. If you screw my plans, you'll be fooled like snack. Jonda kutyumza isende, ubese isidumbu sidenge. Kuthi phuqa insente njengobunuka izithende. Ucingo yaqabela lisebuthunti izembe. Unyelo zazikakela iseshusha igenge. We down ready siyangena your damn lady. Sayizeka kwi-front page ungasibeka will fuck Jennifer Bell. I'm God bending the earth and sky is turning to black. My rhymes heavy and sterk. You try dirty and whack. Die dirty and black. Dot Soul, la Rashezi Domfleet. Siyabulela Khutmans. Instagram, Luno.Soul, la Rashezi Domfleet. Whoever is gonna come here emva kwethu wenze show about isibhaz, or you get scars with bras, or will hijack your girl and take bras. I'm out, man.